I was taking this panel off, and as I took it off, one of the tubes was not long enough for it to lean over. I mean, we've worked behind these before, and it was obviously a bit brittle, and it popped. And as you can see, there's glycol that had sprayed everywhere. I luckily had a screwdriver that I could plug the mess everywhere. Okay, to give you a little backstory, we had a flow meter alarm on our AC the night before. So I had to open up this panel to check the flow meter, but before I could do so, I had a broken tube and burst everywhere. Unfortunately, the circuit board got a little wet, so I had to remove it and clean it, as glycol apparently is a very conductive liquid, especially when it dries, and so you can get short circuits very easily. So here you can see me unplugging everything. Glycol pipe burst behind here and sprayed all in here. So I have removed the circuit board. Conducts electricity, so that residue needs to be removed. So that's why I've removed the circuit board, and now I'm going to deionize water clean it, which removes that conductive film, and then alcohol rinse, and then warm dry. So we've got this out. Don't want any electronic failures. Busy running off compressor 1, which is okay. I'll sort this one out. So if you check the back here, you will see there's a bit of residue all over it. Trust me, I was super hesitant to do this, but you know what? I gave it a shot and I tested it for all you peeps out there. What you saw there was deionized water, followed by a spray through with air, and then an alcohol wash or spray, and then warm dry. Some dodgy alcohol. These are spray, those are spray, all of those, everything, I guess. Fan over. Okay, so now with all that done, we've connected up, and it's time for testing. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I've switched it on. There's power, there's power. There's no alarm. There was a CAN bus alarm last time. Listen here. Slight click there, especially on switch off. There's a click there, but not on this one. Okay, I was able to diagnose it and find the fault was our semicron bridge rectifier. So it took some time and a lot of effort. As you can see the hype here, but I figured it out. So you got this. Thankfully, I was able to use the second inverter to confirm this. So I went and ordered a new one and replaced it and got the AC up to scratch. Thank the Lord. So some fiddling. I managed to get that part behind there. So with both of the compressors up and running, we'll give it a first test. Switch on power to inverter board 2. And here, when I switch on power, you can hear both relays clicking. Okay, so now that the inverter board is back up and running, we come to the original problem, which is the flow meter. Upon testing, I can see it's dropping out. So I changed him over from inverter board 1 to inverter board 2. So this is the culprit. I switched them over. Compressor 2 runs. This one has zero flow. 850 euros for a new one. I keep getting sprayed with this glycol. Anyways, got a bit wet, but installed the circuit. You. And jobs are good. And thanks guys for watching. Here's a couple signs. Peace out.